Hello YouTube, this is Little Mr. Hardcore, 1 second. And I bought one of these blasters, thought I'd give it a try. The new 2018 or 19 Raw. And you get, it says 10 packs, 1 relic card, and 4 exclusive Raw Women's Revolution cards. So let's get into it. Let's see. Maybe if I can't hit a Ziggler. Because if you don't know by now, if you follow my videos, which barely anybody does, but hey, I don't care. Watch what you want. But anyways, you all should know by now that Ziggler is my favorite wrestler. Even though he hasn't been around, he's been doing his comedy show, which also, if you watch my videos, I went and saw. But anyways, there's your Raw 1 relic card. We'll do that last, obviously. I don't know if there's any odds on the box. A shit ton. You want to look at the odds. But anyways, yeah. Now here's the one side of the box, Rousey, and then everybody else. So let's get to it. I don't know if they're still doing 1 bronze per. Why are they still putting Brie Bella and Nikki Bella in the packs? I don't know. Bailey, Kyla Braxton, No Way Jose, Akam Bronze, Lita Legends, and Hometown Bailey. That's Hometown Heroes. Tyler, wait, there we go. Tyler Breeze. Oh, Hideo Itami. Why are these upside down? Sasha Banks. Tony Nese. Rhino. Road Dogg. And Hometown Hero, Zack Ryder. I didn't get a bronze in that pack, so maybe it's 1 so many packs for a bronze. 1 and 2 packs for a bronze. I always thought it was 1 and 1, but whatever. Natalia. Lance Dorado, Grand Metalik, Drew McIntyre, Bronze of Curtis Axel, Psycho Sid, and Hometown Hero of Leo Rush. Leo Rush. Whatever. Dean Ambrose, Bobby Lashley, Seth Rollins, Apollo Crews, Davari. It says Ronda Rousey is suspended after attacking Alexa Bliss and Kurt Angle. Ronda Rousey card. And a Hometown Hero of Mojo Rawley. And I don't know what they're doing with him. His gimmick is kind of dumb. Here we go. The Brian Kendrick. Sarah Logan. Kalisto. Fandango, I don't know whenever he's coming back either. Finn Balor, Bronze. Goldberg, and Hometown Hero, Dolph Ziggler. Awesome. PC hit. Let's see what we got going on in this pack. Oh, another PC hit, Dolph Ziggler. We'll set him aside. Bray Wyatt, Roman Reigns, Victor, Alexa Bliss, Vader, and Apollo Crews, Hometown Hero. Buddy Murphy rookie. I think that was my first rookie card in this whole box. JoJo, Elias, Dash Wilder, Bronze of Connor, Trish Stratus, and Hometown Hero, Titus O'Neil. What's that? 3 packs left and plus the hit. They give me one of those metal cards or whatever medallion cards. I hate those and they should not be a hit. Chad Gable, Batista, Jinder Mahal, Zack Ryder, Nigel McGuinness, Ric Flair, and No Way Jose, Hometown Hero. Sami Zayn, Booker T, Charlotte Caruso, Ruby Riott, Nikki Bella Bronze, Ken Shamrock, and Kevin Owens. Hometown Hero. Last pack, and then hit. Akira Tozawa, Mark Andrews, Cedric Alexander, Mike Rome, Samir Singh. It says Ronda Rousey chases off Alexa Bliss from interfering in Natalia's match, and hometown hero Ember Moon. So let's go with the... Oh, I do get those 4 women division cards. So here we go. Let's not look and see what we get. This one is Charlotte Flair, Nikki Bella, good. Paige, Sasha Banks, and my hit goes Kofi Kingston, Matt Relic. Numbered? Not numbered. Heavyweight champion, Kofi Kingston. Let's see what the odds of a Matt Relic are real quick. Doesn't really, well, it says, glad I didn't get one of the medallion cards. I'm so glad. But it says, Matt Relic, parallel, bronze, blue, silver, gold, black. And mine's not, none. Anyways, there it is again, my hit, Kofi Kingston. So, hope you guys enjoyed this break. Do these numbered specially or anything? DR for the Women's Revolution cards. But anyway, that's what I got. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye!